Welcome to day 83, Coffee with Kenny. I'm Kenny Keller, creator of Helicopter Line Ground School. I shot 3 brand new videos yesterday for Helicopter Line Ground School, and I'm going to share one of them today with you during Coffee with Kenny. I had an incident with a student this week, one of our HOGS members. Not an incident, but something that happened, and this answers the question why, on a counterclockwise rotating system, when we roll the throttle off, why we add right pedal when you're doing a shutdown, or basically any time that you're rolling the throttle off when you're on the ground. But a little heads up, it involves the helicopter and something that happened with the dolly. It's kind of interesting. So I'll roll that now and be right back.
I want to talk to you for a minute about why we push right pedal when we roll off the throttle. In the Enstrom helicopter, and this could be other counterclockwise rotating systems. I was trained this way early on. That's what we always did. You're on the ground, whether you're rolling off to split the needles, during your check to make sure the needles are going to split, or whether you're rolling the throttle off at the end of the day after you've landed and you go to roll the throttle off, we add right pedal. I have an interesting story. Had a HOGS student here yesterday, and he heard me say this when we were in the aircraft where I rolled the throttle off, and I went, okay, off right pedal. And he asked why, and I said, well, the reason why is if you're on a slick surface, when you roll off the throttle, if you don't add the right pedal, the nose of the aircraft can swing to the left and the tail can go to the right and run into a building. That's what happened to the owner of this aircraft. His first day getting home, he was kind of nervous, got on the ground, there was some ice, rolled the throttle off, didn't push the right pedal, and the tail swung around and almost hit the hangar on his first day home with the aircraft. So that's why we do it, and we've always said slick surfaces. Now I want you to think about something else. We then, after we talked about that, we went and did a night flight last night, and we come back to land on this dolly. Now, this is a brand new dolly, we just built it, and it has locking wheels on it. I forgot to lock the wheels. I had chocks on it, but the chocks weren't good enough. The wheels weren't locked. We landed on the dolly at the end of the evening, and when I rolled the throttle off, guess what happened? That dolly started taking off, to nose going to the left and actually moving a little bit forward, okay? We were out in the middle of the ramp. There was no one or nothing around, so we didn't really hurt anything, but can you imagine the thrill I got and how my heart raced when I even had kind of looked down as I rolled the throttle off, and I look up, and here's the helicopter. The helicopter is turning the dolly, right? The nose is going this way. When you roll that throttle off, you're taking away the power. You need to add the right pedal to keep the helicopter from spinning to the left.
There you go. You got to be cautious whether you're on a slippery surface, ice, snow, wet pavement, a dolly not properly locked. So thanks for tuning in for day 83. 83 is a great number. The year I graduated. And there you go. For those of you trying to figure out how old I am, there's another big clue. So do us a favor, like and subscribe to be notified of the daily video. Go down below to the link, helicopterground.com. We have a 24-hour test flight for our private commercial CFI instrument monthly or yearly memberships. That yearly is going to go away sometime in the future. As of the making of this video, we still offer the yearly package. So go check all those out at helicopterground.com. 24-hour free trial. Before the end of that trial's up, just decide if you want to keep the training, or if it's not right for you, remove your credit card information from within the site, or go to PayPal and end your subscription, and you'll be billed nothing. We part as friends. You're welcome back anytime. So thanks again, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in day 84.
I broke out the old flip-flops.
Say welcome to day 84.
Welcome to day 84.
Wait, it's day 83.
83.